After processing this template, you will get two separate folders. One is for documentation and one is for main project files. And this is the documentation folder. In the documentation folder, you will get those two files. You may go to index file, and this is the documentation for your project. Now I'll like to go our main items. In main items folders, you will get two projects. One is for API and one is for client. I use Visual Studio Code for API and Visual Studio 2019 for client. You may use Visual Studio Code for both API and client, and Visual Studio 2019 to API and client as you like. Okay, I open API project in Visual Studio Code here. Now go to the terminal from here and execute the command .NET pf migrations add, and then the name of the migration, I like to name it initial. This will generate a migration folder here with 3 models. Let's see it. Okay, and now you have to write .NET pf database update. Now this will create a database as well as your seed models and data. Okay, the database is generated in MySQL server. This is the AdminDB database, which is generated through the migration option in API project. So why it is created in MySQL server? Let's see it here. Apps settings registration file. You will see 5 connection histories here. I use for this demonstration MySQL option because in start of the CS class I use MySQL here. Other 4 options are also available here. This is for MS SQL, and this is for SQLite, this is for Postgres, and this is for Oracle. So though it is in MySQL option is enabled here, so the database is created in MySQL server. So let's see some tables and data here, and those are the data and tables, and the name of the database is AdminDB. So I like to see some another options here, like though I use JSON web token here, and in users controller it's set 180 for token expect time. You will change it from here in user controller channel JWT token method. Now write .NET run to see the API documentation in this port, localhost 5001 port. Let's see it. Swagger API documentation is there. Now I like to open our admin API project. So as I said, I use the Visual Studio 2019 for admin client. So I opened it here, and you have 2 options to run it here. You may run it from command line, and then navigate to the project directory, as the project directory is admin client. and then write .NET Run as I used in for API project. And another option is by pressing Ctrl F5. So now let's sign in here. The username and password both are admin at 2024 admin options, and there is also a user user sign in option. So I like to sign it through admin option. So this is the dashboard, and those are the menus generated from my creation data. So I like to use some options here in menu list. Those are the migration data. So if you want to create a new menu, then like add new button, click add new button and fill those options and save. And those are the for delete option and for update options. And I like to see you another thing. Though I used database driven rule based authorization here. In the beginning you will get two roles named admin and user, and those two names are used in admin API for authorization. So if you want to add one more role, you may add it from here. Like I like to add power user, like power user, and menu group and select user group. So the power user is in a new role. So if you like to use this role for authorize, then go to your admin project and add it here. So the power user role now is authorized to this particular method. So this is basically the options I like to see it here. And thank you for watching.